All right. So there is no point in telling that today was a horrible day, as I don't know how much you can feel from looking at the chart, but let me just zoom it in so that it is more kind of visible. So yeah, we opened gap up, and the first half, as I had discussed in the previous videos, that the first half, it's almost sideways, and the second half there is a move. And I'm the most fearful of these kinds of moves only. Now, what happened? From here, okay, till the time the SBI bank result was given out. So this was the time, that is 13:45. All right. So till here there was no theta decay as such. All right, till this time. Okay, so my PNL was in red till this time, because the delta trades which I had been taking here, so it hit the call and put stop losses of all the delta trades got hit here. Okay, all the theta trades were alive in this phase. Now if this bank nifty chart, if it if it gave this spike and then closed somewhere here, I would have made like at least closed a break even. But what happened with this candle, when as soon as the SBI result came? So this candle itself was close to 225 points. This is a 5 minutes candle, okay? Now, let me show you the Bank Nifty open chart. Okay, so this is the premium chart of Bank Nifty rolling straddle. Now, it's 225 at open only, okay? So the Bank Nifty premium is like today's Bank Nifty premium was not able to cover this one candle length also. Okay, so this was what 225, and Bank Nifty premium was 225 at open. Okay, so what happened with the theta trades? So I enter at 920. Okay, and it went till how much point? Like 290 points. Okay. So I don't know how is it possible for people to make money on expiries, especially on such tough days. Now, another problem that happened with me today is that I was stopped out in this candle with the day's low breaking, or the previous candle's low breaking, another day low breaking, and then my MTMSL was hit. And immediately after my MTMSL was hit, there was a reversal of market. Okay, there was a reversal here. Now, I'll show you in the charts as well. So you can see that at 1503, my M2MSL got hit. If this M2MSL was like, not here, I'm not telling that I'll be moving my M2MSL. Okay, I'm not ready to take one more than 1% loss per day. So today's PNL was minus 20,000 rupees. And if this M2MSL was not there, suppose it was there at 22k or 25k or something, all right. So what would have happened with the last minute's up move is that my PNL would have been like close to almost 10,000 or maybe 15,000, or even better, like something like 12.5 or something. All right, so I lost 8,000 because of MTM stop loss. But yeah, you never know whether after this candle, okay, so this is Nifty. So yeah, so you never know that after this red candle, there was another red candle made and then another red candle. So my PNL would have been like close to 50k also in minus. Okay, so as you can see that all the indexes, even like Nifty, it went down here after 15 o'clock and then it recovered completely and then closed up. So I took many stop losses in these two candles, as you can see here. Okay, so this drop of PNL from minus 5,000 to minus 12,000, it came in this candle. You see this? So this candle gave me a loss of close to uh, 8,000 rupees. Okay, so yeah, I think that's it. And tomorrow is Friday, so I'll be trading light. Let's see what happens tomorrow. So for this month, I am uh, close to now 2% up now after today's loss. So yeah, wish me luck for tomorrow's expiry. Till then, take care. Bye bye.